In front of me is OnePlus Nord 3 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Passwords Manager. First of all, go into Settings and scroll all the way down to access Google section. Then you need to tap on Autofill with Google, and Passwords. If you can't see any of those options, that means that you never added a password before. In order to make them visible, click on this gear next to Password Manager. Make sure that Over to Save Passwords option is on. Log in to one of your apps and tap on OK in Google Autofill pop-up. In order to add a password from here, select this plus next to Search Passwords. Then enter site data at the top, or click on Select App instead and tap on the one that you wish to add. Now enter all of those informations, like user number or email, and password. You can even take some notes. When you finished, just hit Save at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my Facebook password was successfully added to Password Manager. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!